let us have our third example. Now, we are now going to discuss less than or equal to. So, our problem is x squared plus 6x plus 8 less than or equal to 0. So, this is the symbol for less than or equal to 0. So, just like we did with less than and greater than, first, we are going to change this one into a quadratic equation. And check if it can be factored, or if it can be factored, so you have an option to use completing the square or quadratic formula. Now, since the problem can be factored out, so we can factor this one as x plus 4 and x plus 2 will be equal to 0. Now, our roots will become x negative 4, since this is positive. The other one is x negative 2. So, this is now our boundary for our graph. So, we will now draw our graph. Now, since our roots are all negative, I will not write anymore the positive numbers. So, I will start with 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Then, after that, choose a number from it's either greater than negative 2 or less than negative 4 or between negative 2 and 4. So, we put a line here and put a line on 4. Now, since this is already less than or equal to, it means to say that our roots, negative 4 and negative 2, are part now of your solution. So, instead of shading the roots into an open circle, we now shade it as a closed circle because it is now included in our solution. And we just choose a number. Shall we say this is x equals to negative 5 and x equal to 3 and x. So for us to easily solve it, we use 0. Then we can now proceed with testing the numbers. So shall we say x equal to negative 5. So all the x will become negative 5. So negative 5 squared plus 6 times negative 5 plus 8 less than or equal to 0. Now, if you are going to solve everything, your answer will be 3 less than or equal to 0. Now, is 3 less than or equal to 0? No. So, therefore, this is a false statement. Now, let us proceed when x equal to 3. So, x equal to 3. So, all the x will become 3. So, we have 3 squared plus 6 times 3 plus 8 less than or equal to 0. Now, if you are going to solve everything, this is not 3, negative 3. So, this will become negative 3, negative 3. So, that is negative 3. So, if you are going to solve everything, so your answer will be negative 1 less than or equal to 0. Now, is negative 1 less than or equal to 0? Yes, therefore, this is a true statement. And lastly, let us try if x equal to 0 will be a true or a false statement. So everything will become 0. So cancel. So what will remain is 8 less than or equal to 0. Is this a true or a false statement? So obviously this is a false statement. So the only true statement is when x is equal to negative 3. It means to say that your solution, if you're going now to shade your graph, lies between negative 4 and negative 2. So, all the numbers here, including decimal and fraction, are part of your solution. Therefore now, your interval notation, this is now how you write your interval notation. Since negative 4 and negative 2 are already included, you write now a square bracket. Then you write negative 4. So this symbolizes as negative 4 is included. And negative 2. So this is now your interval notation. So I will write now your solution set. So I will write the other one. So let x for all x such that, so your x now, take note that your x is less than or equal to negative 2. So less than or equal to negative 2. But it should be more than negative 4 or equal to negative 4. So it can be more than or equal to negative 4. So this is now your solution set, your interval notation, and your graph for your x squared plus 6x plus 8 less than or equal to